Edo All Progressive Congress Youths, led by the state youth leader Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu, don't take over the state party secretariat sake of say the state Exco allegedly collect $250,000 from Senator Monday Okpebholo to take support him and work against the party interests for the state. Now this will come make youths, men and women of the party gather for the party secretariat to show their solidarity and support for Denis Idahosa as the party governorship candidate for the September 21st gubernatorial elections. Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu for in talk with Tori people come talk say them go take over the party secretariat until the National Working Committee sack Edo State Executive Council of the party sake of say their behavior for the Saturday primary show say them not they worthy to lead the party for the state. He cut through salute to the national chairman of the party Abdullahi Umar Ganduje wey take recognize Honorable Dennis as the elected governorship candidate of the party for the just concluded governorship primary. Kabaka consti talk say the state youths of the party go do everything to ensure the victory of Idahosa for the September 21st gubernatorial elections. A talk say them no go come up for the party secretariat until the Exco do the right thing as them go cook, eat and stay there for 7 days.
Why we are here today with the youth, we have already been crying for youth empowerment, for youth to engage in politics, of which today our youth won this past primary election that just passed, that were held by Hope Uzodinma. Now, even the state national working committee have already congratulated the youth for emerging as a candidate of the party. When some people that collected money from opposition want to use that opportunity to destroy the party. The information that reached us that they went to go and collect money from opposition, yes. You people know where I'm talking about. To make sure they destroy our party. They did it before, they sabotage, so they betray us in the election. If we are doing election, if it's only one person that will emerge. Out of 100, it's only one person that will emerge. Yes. One person have emerged, the election was conducted peacefully. Even when they tried to go and all other cockaboo primary, we did not allow them. With the youth, we are telling you this is our time. And the youth has emerged. Anybody that's going to change it with the youth, we will resist him. Yes. And I want to send my message to the National Working Committee. If you people in State Working Committee can disobey the National Working Committee, they need to be suspended from the party. Yes. If that is not done, nobody will come to this office. Because party is supreme.
Yes. West side.
We all voted with our registration. Yes. We cast our vote for Denis Idahosa. Since they are trying to sabotage the youth, we will not allow it. And I'm a youth leader for God's sake.
Yes, sir.
The person that just won this primary is just 43 years.
Yes.
Youth o'clock. This is what we have been crying for.
Yes.
And God Almighty has done it. Yes. Any human being that want to change it, we will tell them youth as 75% when it comes to election. Yes. They collected money from Extorting Okpebholo. Yes. Because of money they collect, they fail to obey the party. $250,000 was given to them. Everybody know I suffer for APC. Yes. My property was destroyed because of APC. I've been loyal to the party, humble to the party. Yes. I did not cry. I did not make noise. I did not nobody in APC have called me. Are you going about your case? Nobody have called me and said take this contract of 5 million or 2 million. Go and look for something to be doing. Nobody. My 32 rooms hotel were brought down. These people are collecting money here. They fail to do the needful. You cannot sabotage the youth effort. You cannot sabotage the party, the National Working Committee. Let me once again thank the national chairman, person of Chairman Ganduje, APC national chairman, for congratulating Dennis Idahosa for successful. Our message is clear. Our message is clear. If few people in state working committee can disobey national working committee because of money they collect, they forget to honor the party. They want to sabotage our effort when it comes to general election. We had information they've already discussed. If it's not given to them, they are going to sell the party. So we will resist them. We will resist them. APC! When the Edo youth have spoken.
Honorable Jarret Idahosa, APC stalwart, and Okpebholo women leader Extorting Okpebholo come talk say make the National Working Committee chukai wella for Edo APC matter as dem get informate say the State Working Committee don hold meeting with opposition and say their behaviour now and the illegal result wey dem go dey announce hide don confirm as say wetin dem dey hear say dem collect money from the opposition na true. Dem come still talk say
we dey here because of some party organs wey dey disobey our National Working Committee because they don't collect money. So we dey here because we want win election. So we want correct the wrongs and make us dey here. We want the National Working Committee make dem look into Edo State matter because the State Working Committee we hear say they go do meeting with opposition. We don fair dey tell them before. So the performance and the behaviour wey they behave now for the legal result wey they go dey announce hide. So it shows say na true say wetin we dey hear before say we collect money for opposition say na true.
As a leader of the party, who be the actual real winner of the primary?
Na Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Election INEC supervisor. They'll go INEC portal. They'll go check the result wey dey there. So you know who really won the election.
Politics is open to them. Yes. When you are open to your people, they will follow you. They will support you. I'm begging you, we want to win this election. We don't want any other thing, we want winning. For those that have collected dollars, they have collected a lot of money. They don't care whether we win or we don't win. We that have not collected anything, we want to win this election.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From APC Secretariat, Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.